Hey travelers! Welcome back to Grace Meets Globe, where I share the best tips to help you travel smarter and stress-free. Please support my channel and hit the subscribe button. Also, check the description for recommendations for long flight essentials. In today's video, I'm going to break down some expert-backed, actionable, and maybe even a few lesser-known survival tips for long flights. We're talking those red-eye, cross-the-world, stuck in a metal tube for 10 hours kind of flights. Whether you're flying economy or just want to make your journey smoother, more comfortable, and enjoyable, these tips will help you out. I will also share some long flight essentials. Let's make those long flights a whole lot easier. Let's do this. Let's talk hydration. Staying hydrated is crucial on long flights. Bring an empty water bottle to the airport. Fill it up after security. Don't rely on tiny airplane cups. Sip water consistently throughout the flight. Your body will thank you. Next, let's talk seat selection. Choosing the right seat can change your flight experience. Tools like Seat Guru are lifesavers. Enter your flight info to see seat details. Check for leg room, bathroom proximity, and recline. Check in early to snag your ideal seat. Airlines often charge extra for prime spots. Traveling with a partner, book aisle and window seats. You might get the whole row to yourselves. Let's be real. Airplane food? It's a gamble. Sometimes you get lucky, but most of the time, it's just meh. And don't even get me started on the price. That's why it's crucial to pack your own snacks. Now, I'm not talking about chips and candy bars here. We're going for healthy, energy-boosting snacks that will keep you feeling good throughout the flight. Think trail mix, nuts, dried fruit, protein bars, things that are easy to pack and won't go bad. Here's a little trick I learned. Pack your snacks in a reusable container or a Ziploc bag. This way, you can easily grab what you want without digging through your entire carry-on. Plus, it helps you avoid those single-use plastic bags. Remember, a well-fed traveler is a happy traveler. So, pack those snacks and thank me later. Let's talk entertainment. Long flights can be boring, but with a little preparation, you can turn that flight time into valuable me time. Before you even leave for the airport, download a bunch of movies, podcasts, and audiobooks onto your phone or tablet. Trust me, you don't want to rely on the in-flight entertainment system. It's often limited, overpriced, and sometimes it doesn't even work. And speaking of technology, make sure you bring a portable charger. There's nothing worse than being stuck on a long flight with a dead phone or tablet. A portable charger is a lifesaver, especially if you're planning on using your devices for entertainment or work. Another thing I always pack is a good book. Sometimes you just need a break from screens, you know? Plus, reading is a great way to relax and de-stress, especially before a big trip. Let's talk sleep. Getting some shut-eye on a plane can be tricky, especially in economy, but there are a few things you can do to increase your chances of getting some quality rest. First things first, invest in a good travel pillow. I used to think those neck pillows were a gimmick, but trust me, they make a world of difference. They provide support for your head and neck, which helps prevent those dreaded neck cramps. Next up, an eye mask. The lights on a plane can be super bright, and even if you close your eyes, you can still see them. An eye mask will block out all the light, making it much easier to fall asleep. And finally, earplugs. Airplanes are noisy. Between the engine noise, crying babies, and chatty neighbors, it can be tough to tune out the distractions. Earplugs will help muffle the noise, making it easier to relax and fall asleep. We're halfway through this flight, but it's not time to get comfy just yet. We gotta talk about movement. Sitting for hours on end is not only boring, but it's also really bad for your circulation. That's why it's important to get up and move around every couple of hours. Walk up and down the aisle, stretch your legs, do some simple exercises in your seat, anything to get your blood flowing. Now, I know it can be awkward doing jumping jacks in the aisle, so here are a few discrete exercises you can do right in your seat. Ankle rolls, knee lifts, shoulder shrugs, neck stretches. These might seem like small movements, but they make a big difference. Remember, movement is medicine, especially on a long flight. So, get up, stretch, move around, and arrive at your destination feeling refreshed and energized. Next tip. Tech to the rescue. Noise-canceling Nirvana. Let's talk tech. Specifically, noise-canceling headphones. These things are a game changer for long flights. Remember all that noise I mentioned earlier? Crying babies, chatty neighbors, roaring engines? Noise-canceling headphones will silence it all. Seriously, it's like magic. You put these headphones on and suddenly you're in your own little world. You can actually hear your music or podcast without having to crank up the volume to deafening levels. And if you're someone who likes to sleep on planes, noise-canceling headphones are a must-have. They block out all the ambient noise, making it much easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. Trust me, investing in a good pair of noise-canceling headphones is one of the best things you can do for your sanity on a long flight. Let's get into what to wear on a long flight. Comfort is key. You'll be in those clothes for hours, so make sure you're comfortable. My go-to outfit for long flights is layers. I usually start with comfortable leggings or sweatpants, a t-shirt, and a cozy sweater or hoodie. This way I can adjust my layers depending on the temperature on the plane. And speaking of temperature, airplanes can get really cold. That's why I always pack a scarf or a small blanket in my carry-on. It's amazing how much warmer a simple scarf can make you feel. And finally, shoes. This one's important. Choose shoes that are easy to slip on and off. You don't want to be that person fumbling with their laces when it's time to go through security or board the plane. Long flights can affect your hygiene. You're stuck in a confined space, you can't shower, and sometimes you just feel gross. But there are a few things you can do to stay fresh and clean, even on the longest flights. First things first, pack a small toiletry kit in your carry-on. Include essentials like a toothbrush, toothpaste, face wipes, hand sanitizer, deodorant, and maybe even a small hairbrush. These little things can make a big difference in how you feel, especially after a long flight. There's something about brushing your teeth that just makes you feel more human. And here's a pro tip: pack a small travel-sized bottle of lotion. The air inside a plane is incredibly drying, so your skin will thank you. We're on the home stretch now, folks. The last, but certainly not least, tip for surviving a long flight is all about mindset. Long flights can be tough, no doubt about it, but your attitude can make a world of difference. Instead of dreading the flight, try to see it as an opportunity to disconnect from the world, to catch up on sleep, to read a book, to watch a movie, to just relax and do nothing. And if you start to feel stressed or anxious during the flight, take a few deep breaths and remind yourself that it's temporary. You'll be at your destination soon enough. Remember, a positive attitude can make all the difference. So, put on a good playlist, grab your favorite book, and get ready to enjoy the ride. Thanks for watching. I hope these tips help you not just survive, but actually thrive on your next long flight. Remember, a little preparation goes a long way. Don't forget to check out Grace's description for all the recommended travel essentials. She's got you covered with everything from noise-canceling headphones to comfy travel pillows. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome travel tips from Grace Meets Globe. And as always, stay curious, stay adventurous, and I'll see you on the next adventure. Peace.